Okay, so I am going to end off my reactions for right now. I may react to something later, um, and or it just depends on what I feel like doing if I react to another video. But I decided I wanted to end off watching a Superfruit video. It's The Nature is Amazing. I love this video. I have seen this video countless amounts of time. Literally, I'm like a stalker. I love this video. It's so funny to me because they are just the weirdest, most lovable human beings I have ever met. Oh my gosh. And I just love everything about them. But this video literally brightens my day. I don't care what type of mood I am. I'm instantly either more happier than before I watched the video, or my mood is instantly lifted. So, with that being said, we are gonna watch Nature is Amazing by Superfruit simply because I just want to. Nobody requested this, but yeah, let's go. Look at that smile. How can you look at them? They are smiling so pretty. How can you not smile at this? Like, hi, look at Wyatt.
My name is Mitch.
And I'm your little son.
Oh my gosh.
It's really exciting. We did the hashtag AskSuperfruit and it turned into worldwide.
That's really cool.
So thanks for all of you asking questions. Now we're going to answer those questions.
I literally can't choose who to look at.
Wow.
Mitch's laugh is great.
Alright, so Kristen Freund asks, if you could invent something, what would you invent?
Oh my god, if we could invent something.
I would invent, I don't know.
You should patent that.
That's hilarious.
So petty, Scott.
So basically, you play
I'm
the
just-
stop. So you play a song with an artist,
Oh,
and depending on
man.
the genre or the artist, it puts a fragrance out into the air. So like when Beyonce comes on, like her perfume would be in the air.
What's her scent
Am
called?
I the only one who loves to hear him talk about this? He talks about it all the
What would
time.
I invent? Wait, let me think. Everyone relax. I would create a service where somebody just delivered coffee to me just all the time.
But why doesn't that exist?
I don't know. I don't know. We should create that.
There's gonna be a million comments that are like coffeetogo.com. Everyone
Already
knows about
exists.
it. What's the next question?
Can you demonstrate?
Can you demonstrate how to be sexy? Okay.
Oh my god, I'll lose it.
Sam says, if you're a woman, what
I
do you
lose it
think
at
they
that
would
part
do?
every
I
time.
would want them to be the
Oh
polar
my
opposite
gosh.
of me. So like really into sports and like muscly and not totally insane.
Okay.
I have a twin. Oh my god, squirrel.
That is so
Oh my
weird.
God. Nature is amazing.
Oh, girl.
Oh my god.
Anja asked opinions on the World Cup.
My reaction exactly.
Nothing comes to
Next
mind.
question.
Yep. Nick Pecora says cheese fries or skinny thighs. Why not both?
You're right. Cheese fries, and then go running so you can have skinny thighs.
Yes.
Cody Pletzer says, which one of you has had the craziest hair when they were younger?
Oh,
Well,
Oh
we'll let you
Lord.
decide.
Oh.
I'm embarrassed.
Mitch's hair, I
Says, who's the
can't.
more sexual one when you're drunk?
Oh boy. That is a toss
That
up.
is a toss-up.
Because
Aw.
I think you've got me beat.
More
As
sexual?
of late.
That shade though.
You're around a gay boy, and you're drunk, you're like...
I've never once said that to anyone. Well, that's not completely true.
OMG.
Matt says,
Mitch's
what food are you
laugh.
most likely to eat at 3 a.m.? Literally anything
Oh my
that's
god,
available to me in the
anything that is
fridge.
edible, I will put in my mouth. Kat
Yeah.
says, who can do the best slut drop?
Jordan says, say the first word that pops into your head. Go.
Tara Reid.
Roller skates.
He said
It's
Terry.
just, what's the last thing you can
Oh,
copy paste it into
crap.
your phone.
Let's find out.
Oh
Oh,
my god.
my
have you
cheeks
seen the
hurt.
one where that guy jumps off a cliff into the water and there's a great white shark there? Literally the scariest thing I've ever watched.
I literally can't. Is it a hoax?
I don't know. It looks kind of fake because it's so scary, but watch it.
Will Williams says, "Have you ever worn a dress?" And the answer is yes. But I wore it over. It was like a. It was like
I guess Scott
veil.
Sways.
I wore it over clothing.
I'm
Just to
moving.
be funny. You know, nothing too serious. I don't want you to think I'm gay. Please don't think
Oh,
that.
Maddie
He's
said
like,
what
oh.
changes this year, and how the would I know that?
What? I don't even know what that means. Heather says, if you were turned into a girl for a month, would you survive? I wouldn't survive. I would thrive, and I would buy so many.
Yes.
Tom says, say it's time to take out the trash in your most seductive voices. Hi, Mitch. Hi, Tom. It's time to take out the trash. It's time to take out the trash.
Danny says he's mixing his high bass note while Scott sings his lowest bass note. Yeah.
Oh man, I'm gonna die. I already know it.
That did not sound like a whistle note. It sounded like a pterodactyl.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Jake says, who is the messier roommate? We have our moments.
We all both have
Oh
our
man.
You like to leave your coffee cups out everywhere.
Wow.
Your peanut butter and
Okay.
Scott Sways.
Let's go and hash this out right now.
Bitches
You
laugh.
like to
I
leave your
literally
$4,000
can't.
bags on the couch. Leah says, I can't think of a question, so make me answer it.
Okay.
Oh man.
Scott, how are you so perfect? Oh, I don't know. I was born this way.
Literally my question.
And that's all the time we have for the question.
Oh my gosh, my weekly obsession is the fact that in 1 hour we're going to watch Beyonce's entire visual album,
Oh, yes. That sounds great.
and then all the directors are going to be on to talk about the video.
Yeah, can that be mine too? Because I have no idea.
Yeah.
Great. It's a joint
Seriously.
obsession. It's a joint obsession.
I don't think it's a good song to listen to anything else today. Okay, I know I did a Sam Smith song last week, but I have to do another one. He's all I've been listening to because he is everything. And the song is called Stay With Me, and it is the most heartbreaking, sad, beautiful song ever. You should listen
Love
to
that
it.
song.
It's so
Ooh.
great, and we have all been there.
So one of my favorite
I
artists
actually
is Lone.
haven't watched
This
that
album is
video
coming out very
by
soon.
Kevin
And
in a
I
while.
managed to stream one of these songs, and it's called Meeker Warm
Let me
Energy.
watch that.
I don't know what the hell that means, but it's very Lone style with these weird chord progressions, and it's like very woozy and hip hoppy. I don't know, I love it.
And that's all we have time today. Thanks for asking questions, and we had the best time. See you next week. Goodbye. Bye.
Okay.
Good. This is your note.
He's like,
Goodbye.
they are something else.
This is a corn chip.
Oh,
that's
man.
all you.
You're right. We're so white today. Marble and Black Star. Trans DJ duo.
Not gonna lie, that would be a great DJ name. So yeah, that was basically just me having a fit, watching a video that I freaking adore. Love that video. My cheeks hurt from smiling and laughing so much. Literally, I swear, I've seen that video, I kid you not, at least 100 times. And I crack up and laugh like I have never seen it a day in my life. I literally can't with that video though. But what I was trying to say quietly, which is probably really, really loud to you guys, was Scott talked about Sam Smith's song "Stay With Me." That's it. Words. I'm using them. I haven't watched Kevin's video cover of that in a while, and I've seen it obviously, but I may react to that. I haven't seen it in a while, so dying to see it again, especially since he missed it. Missed it? Oh my gosh, I can't talk. mentioned it. But yeah, so that's it for this video. As always, the link to this video as well as Superfood's channel will be in the description box below. Go check out this video. Go check out that channel. They make amazing content. I love them, obviously. So yes. And again, I'm not trying to take credit for anything in this video. I'm not going to copyright or claim anything in this video. All of this go to the amazing duo whom I love, Superfood. So yeah, I don't know why I'm talking with my hands all of a sudden. It just happened. But yes, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, I'm sorry. I can't please everyone. If you want to check out some more of my videos, go right ahead. Feel free. Like, comment, share if you want to. Don't have to. By no means. Don't feel like you have to do anything you don't want to. If you want to like it, like it. If you don't want to like it, don't like it. If you want to dislike it, dislike it. If you want to comment, leave some comments. If you want to leave suggestions, leave some suggestions. If you don't, you know, the world will still continue to spin. I will still continue to put videos up. I'm not gonna drop off the face of the earth all of a sudden. Anyway, I'm rambling now. But yes, no copyright infringement. So yeah. See you guys later. Bye.